Guys, itong exercise naman to guys, tinatawag ko na barbell flat bench press. Barbell flat bench press. Ang target ito guys ay sa lower part ng chest. Ginawa ko to guys ng 4 set pa rin, 12 to 15 reps. Bale guys, nagdagdag na rin ako ng dyan guys, isang plate, yung 2.5 lang. At least nakadagdag na guys. Yan guys, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo guys. So guys, thank you for watching. God bless.